Google has officially confirmed the launch of the new Pixel 10a, its latest mid-range smartphone. The device is set to be unveiled on February 18, 2026, and will go on sale immediately, including pre-orders and retail availability. The Pixel 10a continues Google's strategy of offering flagship-level software support at a more accessible price point. Here's a complete breakdown of its specifications, design updates, and pricing. The official presentation is scheduled for February 18, 2026. Unlike many launches, the Pixel 10a will be available immediately after announcement, including pre-orders and retail availability. The Pixel 10a features a 6.3-inch plastic OLED display with a resolution of 2424 by 1080 pixels. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen is protected by upgraded Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, replacing the older Gorilla Glass 3 used previously. The Pixel 10a runs on Google's Tensor G4 processor with an 8-core CPU. It comes with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 128 or 256 GB using UFS 3.1. There is no microSD expansion slot. The camera system remains similar to the previous generation. The Pixel 10a includes a 48-megapixel main camera capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second. It also features a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. One visible design change is the camera module, which is now more flush with the back panel, reducing the camera bump. The battery capacity remains 5,100 mAh, similar to the previous model. However, wired charging speed has been upgraded significantly to 45 watts compared to last year's 23 watts. Wireless charging support has not yet been officially confirmed. The Pixel 10a launches with Android 16. Google promises 7 years of operating system and security updates. The device also introduces support for Bluetooth 6.0 and carries IP68 water and dust resistance. The Pixel 10a will be available in multiple colors, including obsidian, fog, lavender, and berry. The starting price in Europe is expected to be around 499 euros for the 128GB version. The 256GB variant will initially be offered at the same price during pre-orders before increasing to approximately 600 euros. The Pixel 10a refines Google's mid-range formula with stronger glass protection, faster wired charging, and extended software support. While core hardware remains familiar, the improvements make it a more competitive option in its segment. With 7 years of updates and a balanced feature set, the Pixel 10a continues Google's strategy of long-term value.